Okay, we're here at the Georgia Club in Statham, Georgia with this week's winner of the Tour Championship, Jimmy Brandt. I'd like to take this time to thank all the players this year for supporting our tour. This is our 5th season of the Peach State Professional Golf Tour, and we're looking forward to just keep building and growing. I want to thank all the sponsors that provided help throughout the year. These players appreciate it. We want to help these players grow to the next level. Carl?
Jimmy, you're a 5-time winner this year on the Tour Championship this week, and you just broke through to be the leading money winner on the Tour for the season. And you got Q School coming up.
Yeah.
You've been on a nationwide tour a little bit, had a little success this year. You got Q School coming up. Just how do you feel about everything right now, moving into the season?
Feels good right now, yeah. I got some confidence for sure. Q School's in, I think, two and a half weeks, something like that. It's at Callaway Gardens. I love the course. You know, it's about 45 minutes from my house, so I get to stay at home, drive, sleep in my own bed. I feel good about it. And got some confidence, so that's good.
Roll with it.
2 wins the last 2 weeks, but I want to talk about today. This was a tough victory. You were 6 shots back coming in today. You knew you needed a good round, and the golf course was set up very tough.
Yeah.
And you had an amazing 65, 5 birdies and an eagle. Tell us about your round.
Well, I got off to a kind of a slow start. I made a couple birdies early, and then just made a lot of pars and shot 2 under in the front, and then birdie in the par 5s. And the par 5s out here are the score holes. You know, everybody's birdie those holes. So I only shot 2 under in the front, and then started making some putts on the back. And I hit it really close on 16, and I made about a 15-footer for eagle, and just kind of made a couple good pars to finish.
Felt like putt-putt.
Yeah, it was.
Well, listen, I wanted to congratulate you on a great season.
Yeah, appreciate
And
it.
a great win, and good luck, man. We want to see you again.
Great
Thanks,
season,
guys.
Jimmy. Go get your PGA Tour
Thanks,
card.
guys.
And guys, again, this wraps up our 2012 season. I want to thank everybody, and we're going to have some events coming up in November, and look forward to seeing you all here again next year.